My name is Josephine Acht and I'm visiting Ellenwille today to show you all the cool things you can do with hair toppers and wigs. Today I will show you how you can quickly and easily create a great look for all your customers. This time we are looking at a fringe variation. The toppers are simply attached to your own hair with clips, are super gentle and a quick way to look different, modern or a little wilder. The natural hair is prepared and combed back over the parting, so that it does not fall into the areas at the front. Then the topper is clipped onto the front. Once attached, the topper is styled together with your own hair. The toppers from Ellenwille are available in synthetic hair fiber, including some that can be restyled with heat and human hair. Let me show you one of our best sellers. What does every woman want more than volume and fullness at the parting? Here is the perfect solution. Simply clip it onto the parting and you instantly achieve a wow effect. Allow me to show you a top-of-the-head hairpiece. If you want more volume and fullness on the top of your head, this is the perfect solution for you. We are working with a lace front here, which means that if you want to wear your hair out of your face, you won't have a visible contour. It will look like your natural hair. To ensure that the top hairpiece stays in place as securely as possible, I lightly backcomb the natural hair where the clips are attached. In our salon, we are often asked whether the toppers can be customized to the customer's wishes. Of course they can. We do this by cutting the topper to size and then styling it. Now I will show you an advanced model. This is a fairly large hairpiece that also covers the back of the head, giving maximum volume and, as you can see here, a beautiful wave. The hairpieces are always ready to wear, straight out of the box, meaning you can put them on and feel great right away. As we are making a significant change to the style here, I first create slight waves in my customer's own hair to achieve beautiful soft transitions with the hairpiece. To ensure that the topper stays securely in place, I always start at the front area. I then clip the contour in place first.